Hello, everyone.
Ready?
Good, it's about to fall on top of us.
See it. Guys, oh my gosh! What is this? Are we gonna fucking die? Look, oh my god, I gotta FaceTime. Oh my god. That is 100%.
Hello, everyone.
Hail forms through a cycle of freezing growth and falling inside powerful thunderstorm clouds. When ice particles become large, enough to overcome the upward force of the air.
Whoa!
Heavy rainfall from Hurricane Helene destabilized the mountainside, causing a landslide to suddenly spill onto the highway.
Whoa! Whoa! ¡Súbanos! ¡Súbanos!
¡Sube!
This isn't a UFO. It's exhaust from a rocket traveling at high altitude, illuminated by sunlight and appearing brightly in the sky. The phenomenon observed at Lake Mille Lacs is a type of ice shove, where ice is pushed toward the shoreline by strong winds or changes in air pressure. When one changes direction, the others around it respond almost instantly. The movement spreads through the group like a wave, creating remarkably complex and flowing patterns. This sea slug is scientifically known as Costaciella. Kuroshima primarily feeds on algae and possesses a unique ability photosynthesis. This phenomenon occurs when rising, warm air combines with rotating winds, lifting dry grass dust and debris into a spinning column that resembles a small tornado.
Nobody is playing hole 7 right now.
That is on my Instagram right now, so.
In Bryson City, North Carolina, a large tree suddenly fell onto a moving vehicle during a storm, shattering the windshield and causing significant damage. This phenomenon is so rare that many glider pilots travel thousands of miles just for the chance to ride these waves in the sky. When soil and rock beneath the surface are washed away by groundwater or a leaking pipe, an underground void can form. Once the layer above can no longer support its own weight, it may suddenly collapse and create a large sinkhole.
Oh! Oh!
That car's getting buried on it, bro.
This elephant doesn't actually understand what it's drawing. Through repeated training, it memorizes the sequence of brushstrokes and recreates a previously taught image, much like performing a familiar routine. This is just crazy. Look at these birds. They're like, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to help support the channel. It looked like a scene from a disaster movie as a powerful wave surged forward and shattered the entire glass front of the restaurant.
Ready?
Good, it's about to fall on top of us.
See it, guys. Oh my gosh! What is this? Are we gonna fucking die? Look, oh my god! I gotta FaceTime one of my
That is 100% something burning up the atmosphere.
That's
Space,
wild,
space
man.
junk
I
or
have
something.
never seen.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any fascinating moments. In Tijuana, Mexico, a building unexpectedly collapsed onto a roadway, following a landslide in the area. Fortunately, the area had already been closed off, and no one was injured.
Those two sharks.
Oh my god!
Look at that!
Oh my god!
One theory involves a phenomenon known as tonic immobility, a temporary state of stillness that some sharks can enter when turned upside down, god there like copper. In Hawaii, Kilauea Volcano erupted for the 48th time, during its current eruptive period, setting a new record for consecutive eruptions at the volcano. On June 1st, a whirlwind formed at Kilauea Volcano in Hawaii. The USGS recorded the phenomenon during an eruption, and it quickly disappeared. By the following day, the volcano had stopped erupting. Strong winds can place tremendous pressure on tall structures, such as cranes, causing them to become unstable and increasing the risk of collapse if they're not properly secure. Oh, what the?
Holy! What up?
This shows the destructive power of a landslide. Just a single moment can be enough to destroy an entire structure. Although hailstorms often last only a few minutes, they can cause significant damage to homes, crops, and vehicles. One rainbow is beautiful enough, but this time nature put on an even bigger display, with two appearing at once over the skies of Denver. A lightning bolt can heat the surrounding air to around 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit, about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun, creating the thunder we hear.
Large fire behind Sam's Club. Looks like new construction, but it doesn't.
Looking at this scene, can you guess where it is? Leave your answer in the comments below.
Holy moly.
Keep the door closed. Keep the door closed. Whoa! Whoa! What? Where's Vic?
Massive waves repeatedly crashed into the shoreline, demonstrating the incredible power of the ocean. During extreme weather conditions, get out of here. Flaring its hood and raising its head high is a cobra's way of warning that it feels threatened.
Muhtarım, karı bu pencereden gelmiş değil mi?
Evet abi işte görüyorsun. Bu kadar kar kütleler.
Saçma masası, dolap.
Evet.
This man will probably never forget the avalanche he experienced that day. Hepsini de doldurmuş. What you're seeing in these images are snow geese, a species capable of traveling up to 3,100 miles. During its annual migration between the Canadian, Arctic, and the southern United States,